In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your screen on a Zoom meeting. It's actually quite simple, but I'll still show you how you can do it. So like I said, it's quite simple. All you need to do is move around with your mouse. I'll actually start video so that you can see what it looks like. So just ignore the screen, but normally this is what it would look like. So if you move around with your mouse, you find this layout with all the features where you'll see security, participants, chat, and then right there you'll see share screen. You want to click on that. You could then choose which screen you would like to share. For example, if I just click right there, click on share, and there we go. So I'm now sharing my screen. This looks really weird because I'm screen recording this, but yeah, that's pretty much how you can share your screen on a Zoom meeting. So yeah, if this simple and quick video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. If you want to go back into Zoom, by the way, you want to click right there, and then you can actually do that, or hold on, I'm actually quite confused. Oh, right there, yeah. So you pretty much want to use this to then stop screen sharing right there, and there we go. So yeah, that's how you can do this. If this video helps you out, leave a like, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.